Hello students, I welcome you all in my GK class, and today we are going to study what's the movie, page number 63, Hello World, page number 64 to 65, Rocks and Metals, page number 66 and 67, Starry Sky, page number 68 and 69. So let's begin. What's the movie? In the picture number 1, you all can see there are three small characters in yellow in color. So the correct option is picture number 1 goes to C option, right? What's written here in the option number C? Tiny yellow creatures, Kevin, Bob, and Stuart find a new boss, the super villain Scarlet Overkill, who plans to take over the world. So they are minions, alright? Option number 2, as you all can see in the picture, na Zootopia is written here, and you have to find out Zootopia is matched with which option. So it's matched with option number D. Zootopia, it's a city of animals, and Officer Judy and Hoops works with the scam artist Fox, Nick Wilde, to solve a mystery. All right. Option number, it's a picture number 3. What's written here? Picture number 3, Jungle Book. Yes, it's very easy. It goes with the option number 1, Mowgli. Alright, in Jungle Book, the main character was Mowgli. Mowgli, with the help of his friends Bagheera and Balu, defeats Sher Khan and returns to his whole family. Picture number 4, Angry Birds. Alright, so Angry Birds goes with the correct option is option number F. Pigs visit the bird islands where the grumpy bird Red lives. When Red finds out that pigs have stolen all the birds' eggs, he and his friends Chuck and Bob lead the other birds to rescue all the eggs. The next one, Frozen. Frozen, the correct option is B. Picture number 5 goes with option B. Queen Elsa accidentally turns her kingdom into a stage of freezing winter with her magical powers and runs away. Her younger sister goes on an adventurous journey to bring her back. And yes, the next one and the last one, picture number E. Picture number E goes with Kung Fu Panda. Alright, Lazy Po is suddenly chosen as the dragon warrior because of an ancient prediction. He joins the Furious Five to fight against evil in the Valley of Peace. Alright, so moving to the next slide. Hello world. Alright, so start now. Do you like sending secret messages? Student, just tell me, do you like? Yes, everyone like to send secret messages. Morse code is a system of sending messages by arranging dots, dashes, and spaces instead of letters, number, and punctuation. This special system was created by Samuel F.B. Morse. Samuel F.B. Morse has invented a code system where people communicate with the help of dots, dashes, spaces instead of letters, numbers. For example, how do we communicate? When you are sending a messages to a person, you just ask, how are you? But instead of writing letters and number, people just use dots, dashes, and spaces. All right, and this this code is developed by Samuel F.B. Morse. Is it clear? Now the next one is Alexander Graham Bell. Alexander Graham Bell invented the telephone. Who had invented the telephone? The first scientist who had invented the telephone is Alexander Graham Bell, and he had invented the telephone in 1876. He made the first call on 10th March 1876 to his assistant Thomas Watson. Mr. Watson, come here, I want to see you. At the time, Mr. Watson was right in the next room. Alright, so Alexander Graham Bell is the first person who invented telephone. Is it clear? You all can see the first telephone here. I'm moving to the next. Yes. Do you know which one is the first newspaper that was published in India? It's very easy. Bengal Gazette. Bengal Gazette is the first, newspaper that was published in India in 1780. All right. The next is John Locke Baird. John Locke Baird has invented the most innovative and astonishing thing. Do you know what? It is television. He had invented the first television, right? And I think students likes to watch TV. Now they just love to watch cartoons. They just enjoy there. All right. So he, even young also, adult also, everyone will love to watch television, and that is invented by John Locke Baird. All right. And he had invented this TV in 1926. The first person to appear on television was a young office boy from the building where Baird worked. Alright, moving to the next one. If anyone asks about the development of World Wide Web, WWW, that was invented, that was started in 1989 by Sir Tim Berners-Lee and his colleagues in Switzerland. Their technology was made available for the common people in 1992. The www had millions of active users, Are you one of them? Yes, we all are one of them. Now we are also using the web browser, everything. So www dot in this era when we are taking online classes, everything is just technology savvy, and we should be technology savvy in this era. And yes, www was developed by Sir Tim Berners-Lee and his colleague in Switzerland. In 1945, yes, it's a very important fact. In 1945, the computer weighed 27 tons, and it was the size of an entire room. It was made a loud noise while working, right? The first computer was very heavy, and it weighed 27 tons, and it just covered all the room. And whenever any person working on that computer, it creates lots of noise. Okay, the next is, what is the smallest computer you have seen? That is chip, CHIP. Now the next one, today you can shop using your computer or smartphone anywhere, right? We all love to e-shopping. We all are doing. We all are just whatever we want, we just order it online. All right. So do you know um, who developed the first e-shopping? That is Michael Aldrich. Michael Aldrich developed the first e-shopping or online shopping or e-commerce. All right. Moving to the next one, Facebook. Facebook is an American company that is founded in 2004 by Mark Zuckerberg, Eduardo Saverin, Andrew McCallum, Dustin Moskovitz, and Harris Hughes. It was founded when they all were studying at Howard University. It is a free cost social networking website, and we all are have made account on Facebook. We all are working on that. The next is, which of these is not a term so for used in the world of computers? आपको बताना है, options had given कि वो कौन सा term है जो computer से related नहीं है. So the option number 1 is cookies, B is biscuit, Raspberry Pi, D is KitKat. So the correct option is biscuits or biscuits. The next is, what are the cute symbols showing various emotions called emojis और emotions? आपको पता है जो आपके फ़ोन में जो cute emojis होते हैं, जो various emotions होते हैं, उनको हम क्या कहते हैं? Emojis कहते हैं या इमोकॉन्स कहते हैं? तो हम उसे emojis कहते हैं, हम इमोकॉन्स नहीं कहते हैं. Alright, so the correct option would be emojis. In which year was WhatsApp launched? We all know that now WhatsApp is very important for us. We are getting our classroom videos, we are getting our work there, we are getting a notification, important notice, everything. So WhatsApp is very important part of our life in 2020. Even when and you have to tell me when it was developed, when it was launched. It was launched in 2009. What were the terms of 3G, 4G and 5G related to phone networks or digital camera? आपको बताना है कि ये phone network से related है या फिर digital camera से related है. So the correct option is phone network. Alright. Moving to the next slide. Here I'm going to tell you about some different metals, and you have to just tell me with the help of giving clues which which one is the correct option. Alright. So here in the picture number 1, you all can see a silvery white metal used in making cans. So it is a can, right? It look like it's a can, and it is made of silvery white metal, and we use this can to store our drinks, our food. So it is tin. All right, tin is a kind of silvery white metal that is used for making, that is used for containing our drinks and food. All right, the next one is a white precious metal used in making coins, ornaments and jewelry. Everyone knows na, mama पायल भी पहनती है इसका. So now you all can tell me, it is made of silver. Yes. Moving to the next one, a bright yellow precious metal used in making jewelry. You all had seen, you all had must seen in your family. All right, they all had made, they all had wear earrings also, even bangles also, necklace also. So what is it? It is gold. इलेक्ट्रिक वायर्स और कॉमनली मेड ऑफ दिस मेटल. आपको बता रहा है कि जो इलेक्ट्रिक वायर्स होते हैं वो इससे ही बने होते हैं. सो व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज कॉपर. Most commonly found metal used to make steel, that is iron. All right, iron is a most commonly found metal which is used to make steel. The study, what do we call the study of minerals? We call the study of minerals mineralogy. All right, and what do we call the study of rocks? We call the study of rocks is geology. Okay, that is geology. Study of minerals is called mineralogy and the study of rock is called geology. Then the next one is, and now rocks, how much do you know about rocks and stones? So the option number 1 is, it is a fossil fuel that is found in mines and is rich in carbon. आपको बताना है कि एक तरह का fossil fuel होता है जिसमें बहुत ही ज़्यादा कार्बन पाया जाता है. So what is it? It is coal, कोयला. The next one is option number B is the hardest natural substance found on the earth. ये पृथ्वी पर पाए जाने वाला सबसे hardest substance होता है, बहुत ही कड़ा. That is diamond. The Taj Mahal is made of. ताज महल किससे बना होता है या किसका बना हुआ है? वो मार्बल का बना है. All right. Option number D is the molten rock that comes out from volcanoes. जब कभी भी volcanoes से volcanoes होते हैं तो ये उनसे ये मिलता है हमें, ये एक molten rock होता है, that is known as lava. All right. The next one is, pencil leads are made of graphite. All right. If anyone asks what is pencil leads made of, so pencil leads are made of graphite. The next one is a igneous rock used to make building, so granite. Chalk is a type of limestone. Stones are the bubbles of volcanic lava, so the correct option is pumice. Moving to the next, the earth's crust contains many minerals and other materials that are useful to people. To get these valuable natural resources, people must dig deep into the ground. The holes that they dig are called mines. All right. Some mines are narrow shafts of tunnel that go very deep underground. Other mines are large open pits which look like canyons. People who work in a mines are called miners. What do we call the people who worked in mines? That we call them miner. All right. And why do we what is the use of mine? All right, why do we dig on the ground? We dig on the ground so that we can get valuable minerals, valuable metals. All right, so I'm moving to the next slide. Starry sky. Interested in stars and heavenly bodies? Here the no is asking to all of you, are you interested in stars? So you have to guess. Guess what is the brightest star in the sky that can be seen from the earth? आपको बताना है वो ऐसा कौन सा तारा है जो सबसे ज़्यादा तेज चमकता है और आप उसको अर्थ से भी देख सकते हैं और जो बहुत ही बड़ा दिखाई देता है क्योंकि ये पृथ्वी से बहुत पास है. सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज सन. व्हाट इज रिटन हियर? सन. ऑल राइट. Mercury. मर्करी इज़ द स्मॉलेस्ट एंड क्लोजेस्ट प्लैनेट टू द सन. आपको पता है मर्करी जो है वो सबसे छोटा और सबसे क्लोजेस्ट प्लैनेट होता है सन के. इट टेक्स ओनली 116 days to go around the sun. Here warning is written. Noe is giving us warning. What is warning? Let's read. Noe is saying never look at the sun directly. आपको sun को कभी भी directly नहीं देखना चाहिए. It can harm your eyes. Whenever you are looking at the sun, you must use goggles, that is sunglasses. Alright. The next one is, here in the picture you can see it's a galaxy. Alright. So whom do we call galaxy? Millions of stars together form a galaxy. The earth and the sun belongs to the Milky Way galaxy, right? Our earth planet, and our sun, that is belongs to the Milky Way galaxy. Here on a clear dark night, the stars seem to twinkle. In fact, most of the stars are shining with a steady light. The movement of the air blanket surrounding. What is air blanket surrounding? That is known as atmosphere. Atmosphere, the earth causes the starlight to get slightly bent as it is travels from the distant star through the air blanket down to us on the ground to our eyes. This makes us the star seems to twinkle. All right. The next one is Proxima. Proxima Centauri. What is Proxima Centauri? One is Proxima Centauri, one of the star of the triple star system. Alpha Centauri is the closest star to the sun at a distance of only about 4.2 light years. Alright. Have you ever tried stargazing? Now again asking Noe that you have ever tried stargazing on a clear night. Did you spot any shooting stars? Did you, student, if you had spotted any shooting star, then you need to reply in chat box. The next is nebula. A nebula is a huge cloud of gas and dust in space. Scientists believe that new stars form inside these nebulas. Now, Ursa Major. Ursa Major, what is Ursa Major? Ursa Major is a constellation located in the northern sky. Where it is located? It is located in the northern sky, and it is the third largest constellation in the sky. 7 bright stars within Ursa Major form a shape called the Big Dipper that looks like a cup with a long handle in India. These 7 stars are imagined to be 7 wise men or Saptarishi. Alright. So what do we call a dying star? Very easy. I'm waiting for your answer. That is known as supernova. The position of which star is used to find direction. That is